This is my pony. It's 7 years old, and this is how we restored it. So, hello guys, today this is my pony and it's 7 years old. It's all matted and dirty, also painted. So, let's get started. And also, it has 4 because we are gonna braid it later and we don't want paint in its hair. We're gonna use nail polish remover because it has nail polish around it. But if you're doing this and you're little, ask a grown up to help. All clean. Now we're gonna use white paint and you have to do 2 coats and all done. Now we're gonna paint it. Cookie pony with purple hair, that's crazy. Now we're going to use the light brown. This is gonna be for the chocolate chips. All done. Now we have to let it dry before the second coat. Done with the second coat as well. We're going to use the dark brown paint for the spots. Chocolatey chip. It's kind of like a cheetah pony.
Yeah.
It looks like a big dog.
Oh, put it.
Do that. Like that. The braid is ready and my pony is ready. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.